Determining if solar works requires looking past averages to your specific roof, energy bill, and long-term plans, especially when pushing through an Ohio winter. In 2026, homeowners in Sunbury are paying closer attention to their utility bills. With energy costs steadily climbing, generating your own power on site offers a way to gain long-term control and predictability over monthly expenses. That appeal has led to a market saturated with standardized sales pitches. These estimates often rely on national averages that ignore the local realities of your specific neighborhood. A solar installation functions as a 20-plus-year infrastructure project integrated directly into your home's structural and electrical systems. Generic solar packages based on broad assumptions lead to unpredictable returns. Instead, a custom property audit accounts for your specific roof, shade, and utility rules for predictable savings. This reliable return requires auditing three distinct categories: your physical environment, household usage, and financing costs. Relying on a national average risks turning a massive investment into a financial liability. Grounding the project in local, specific data produces a reliable, predictable asset. The first variable is your environment. Any system built for a home in Sunbury must account for the reality of Ohio's 4 distinct seasons. This scorecard tracks physical limitations. In the weather row, panels produce a surplus during sunny Ohio summers, but drop noticeably when snow covers the roof in winter. Because of this, value relies on Sunbury Utilities' net metering rules, crediting summer overproduction to offset winter lag. Before evaluating the weather above the roof, you must address the physical condition of the roof itself. This is a strict prerequisite. You are installing heavy equipment meant to last over 2 decades. Securing panels over aging shingles, active leaks, or weak structural decking creates a massive operational risk. If that failing roof needs replacement 5 years from now, you will pay high labor costs to have a crew dismantle the entire solar array and reinstall it after the roofers finish. The ideal layout involves a sound roof with unshaded sections facing south, east, or west. Finalizing this audit, your property either shows the right exposure and structure or reveals immediate risk factors like heavy tree coverage and old decking. Ignoring a professional structural and shading assessment upfront ensures you will face hidden maintenance costs later. It takes a project that looks great on a spreadsheet and turns it into a practical money pit. The second variable is your household usage. Professional system design matches your equipment to your average monthly kilowatt-hour consumption, rather than the total square footage of your roof. 2 identical houses in the same neighborhood use power differently. Daytime air conditioning, pool pumps, remote work, or plans to charge an electric vehicle all drive up daytime demand, requiring a custom capacity model. This scale illustrates the dual sizing risks. Oversizing the system unnecessarily inflates your upfront loan costs. Undersizing it means you will still buy expensive power from the utility, leaving potential savings on the table. Sizing also dictates how your home interacts with the grid. There is a persistent marketing myth that getting solar means you are instantly off-grid. Notice the distinction in this flowchart. A standard grid-tied inverter shuts down during a blackout for safety reasons. Unless you specifically install battery storage or backup equipment, your solar panels will not provide power to your house during a winter outage. Even when everything is running normally, a grid-tied home still actively draws power from the utility company at night or during heavy demand spikes when the sun is down. Logging your household habits finalizes the usage scorecard, confirming whether your daily routine actually aligns with how a grid-tied system operates. Knowing exactly when and how you draw power ensures the equipment is calibrated to your actual wallet. You get exactly the capacity you need to lower your bill without paying a premium for excess panels you don't use. The third variable is the financials. How you purchase the system dictates your final return just as much as how much sunlight hits your roof. It is easy to be drawn in by 20 or 25-year solar loans. They offer a very low monthly payment and give you immediate relief on your utility bill from day one. But look at this life cycle cost chart. Line A is a cash purchase, a higher upfront cost, but it flatlines immediately. Line B is that long-term loan. It starts low, but climbs continuously due to accumulated interest and hidden dealer fees attached to the financing. By the end of the term, the gap between those two lines shows how much extra you paid for that low monthly rate. You have to compare the total loan cost against cash or shorter-term financing to find the actual point where the system pays for itself. You also have to verify the current incentives. Solar incentives changed significantly after 2025, and relying on outdated tax credit claims from an old sales brochure can severely skew your math. You also need to read the warranty fine print. A guarantee that a panel will produce power is not the same thing as workmanship coverage protecting your roof from poor flashing or bad wiring. A low monthly payment does not automatically make a smart financial deal. Your real return on investment is strictly determined by analyzing the total cost of ownership across the system's entire lifespan. When we pull these three variables together, the picture gets clear. Solar in Sunbury works exceptionally well, but only when expectations are grounded in the custom architectural and financial reality of your property. To find out if you are a strong candidate in 2026, we plot your audit results on this suitability matrix. We measure your household energy demand against the physical readiness of your property. If you plan to move in a few years, have an aging roof, or live on a heavily shaded lot, you fall into the weight profile. You must address those physical issues before panels make financial sense. But if you plan to stay in your home for 10+ years, face high electricity bills, and have a healthy, sun-exposed roof, you land in the prime candidate zone. For those prime candidates, a properly designed system functions exactly as intended, a highly strategic, predictable hedge against inevitable future utility rate hikes. Because local permitting, utility interconnection rules, and structural readiness are unique down to your specific street address, generic online calculators simply cannot provide real numbers. To get the actual math for your home, schedule a comprehensive, practical residential solar evaluation with Solar Panel Services Sunbury. Real savings require real data. A localized, professional property audit is the only effective firewall between a bad investment and total, predictable energy control.